About blockchain technology and its advantages in the world of finance, Part 1. When was blockchain first created? Although considered a modern technology, the initial idea of blockchain itself was sparked by Scott in his journal entitled Journal of Cryptography: How to Timestamp a Digital Document, since 1991. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. An asset can be tangible, a house, car, cash, land, or intangible, intellectual property, patents, copyrights, branding. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing risk and cutting costs for all involved. Why is there so much hype around blockchain technology? There have been many attempts to create digital money in the past, but they have always failed. Why blockchain is important? Business runs on information. The faster it's received, and the more accurate it is, the better. Blockchain is ideal for delivering that information, because it provides immediate shared and completely transparent information, stored on an immutable ledger, that can be accessed only by permission network members. A blockchain network can track orders, payments, accounts, production, and much more. And because members share a single view of the truth, you can see all details of a transaction, end to end, giving you greater confidence, as well as new efficiencies and opportunities. Is blockchain really a data storage technology? Blockchain consists of a combination of two words, namely block, which means group, and chain, which means chain. The name reflects how blockchain works, which uses computer resources to create blocks that are connected to each other for the purpose of executing transactions. As the name implies, blockchain is a sequential chain of blocks that are assembled and distributed together. Each block consists of a ledger, and three elements, namely the data, hash, and hash of the previous block. The type of data used in this technology depends on the purpose of the blockchain itself. For example, in Bitcoin, the data block contains all transaction details, from the number of coins, the sender, to the recipient. Blockchain, sometimes referred to as distributed ledger technology, DLT, makes the history of any digital asset unalterable and transparent through the use of decentralization and cryptographic hashing. Hash contains data in the form of a signature, or fingerprint, or signature. Hash is used to identify the block and its entire contents in a unique code. The hash of the previous block is the part that carries the trail of the previous information, while securing the blockchain chain. Blockchain is a new technology developed for digital data storage systems. This technology is connected through cryptography, and its use itself cannot be separated from Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. How blockchain works. Blockchain starts when a block receives new information. The blockchain system consists of transactions and blocks containing a series of cryptographic hashes and previous block hashes to form a network. Blockchain works by recording immutable information. The decentralized nature of blockchain means that this technology does not need to rely on external authorities for validation and integrity of data authenticity. This process is a decentralized process that usually occurs between network nodes to ensure the information is valid. After the decentralization process, the data will be added into a new block. Each block contains a unique hash or code. Although the average blockchain transaction is an investment, the fact is that blockchain can store various types of information in the same block. As each transaction occurs, it is recorded as a block of data. Those transactions show the movement of an asset that can be tangible, a product, or intangible, intellectual. The data block can record the information of your choice, who, what, when, where, how much, and even the condition, such as the temperature of a food shipment. Each block is connected to the ones before and after it. These blocks form a chain of data as an asset moves from place to place, or ownership changes hands. The blocks confirm the exact time and sequence of transactions, and the blocks link securely together to prevent any block from being altered, or a block being inserted between two existing blocks. Transactions are blocked together in an irreversible chain, a blockchain. Each additional block strengthens the verification of the previous block, and hence the entire blockchain. This renders the blockchain tamper-evident, delivering the key strength of immutability. This removes the possibility of tampering by a malicious actor, and builds a ledger of transactions you and other network members can trust. What is the use of blockchain like? Blockchain technology can be utilized in the financial sector. The reason is, this technology can be likened to a digital cash book that can be accessed by anyone, anytime, and anywhere easily, without the need to ask for approval from a financial institution, like a bank. Blockchain technology has indirectly facilitated the entire transaction process. Transactions are also more secure and transparent, so as to minimize data misappropriation, such as bribery or corruption. Blockchain can also be used in fields other than finance. The proof is that in 2018, McKinsey created a blockchain opportunity table for various fields, such as telecommunications, property, media, medical, and agriculture.